Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and your environment. Plug the S12 into a stable USB-C power source and watch the LED until it shows a solid green charge. This prevents interruptions. While it charges, wash and sterilize all contact parts, then dry them. Once done, assemble the pump by snapping the back shell, membrane, flange, and bottle together, and inspect silicone seals for proper seating. You want airtight connections to create consistent suction and avoid leaks. You now focus on fit and program choices. This determines efficiency and comfort. Begin with the correct flange size so your nipple moves freely without rubbing. An incorrect fit reduces output and can cause soreness. Power on and choose massage or stimulation first for 1 to 3 minutes, then switch to expression. Increase suction in small steps until you reach an effective but comfortable level. Make sure to time sessions, aim for 20 to 30 minutes, and keep the pump steady for consistent cycles. You finish by powering down and safely storing milk and parts. After pumping, turn the S12 off, detach the bottle, pour into labeled storage containers, and refrigerate or freeze per guidelines. Wash parts by hand with warm soapy water and air dry on a clean rack. Avoid direct heat on silicone. Once done, store assembled shells loosely. If suction is weak, check seals, membrane condition, flange fit, and battery level. Replace membranes if stretched, and make sure all parts click fully into place to restore suction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.